Good morning, my friends. Thank you so much for joining this morning. I didn't know if anyone would show up or not. Let me just ask you, do you hear me? Just type a little yes on the chat so I know you can. Okay, perfect. So today we're gathering really for no other reason than to concentrate on our inner temple, to feel our heart, and to send love to those who are in need of support, to heal their grief, their sadness, to support them in what they need. I will not name what happened because you all know what happened. We want to concentrate on that which is beautiful, which is good, which can expand to ever bigger circles from our heart into the world. Touch every living being around us in our circles, and since there is no time and space, into other dimensions, into other lifetimes. So I invite you to close your eyes after you look at this beautiful picture that I actually took with my cell phone. It's amazing. I feel like it's the eye of God, and I thought it was just perfect for this morning's meditation. So see that eye of God in your third eye, in the center of your eyebrows, between the eyebrows. And take it all the way into your brain center, into the center of your brain, and let it expand from there. Deep breath in and exhale. Do that 4 times. And then slowly take that eye of God through every chakra, down to your heart. A little bit more with each breath. And there, feel yourself filled with the love of God in your heart, in every cell of your body, in your brain. Expand this eye of God throughout your body, all the way down to the center of the earth, all the way out to the people that you love, to the animals you love, to your parents, to your loved ones. To all the people that have been affected by violence. The victims of all violence in history. We can do this. And to their loved ones. Spread the circles ever faster out, further out. Let the light of God, golden, beautiful liquid light, golden light particles, let that infiltrate through all of history, through all of the gray areas that you can imagine. Fill it all up with this beautiful, beautiful light. All the waters of the oceans, all the waters of every human cell, every space particle throughout the universe of Ah, the universe. And each of us, let's do a silent prayer. I will be not talking for about 5 minutes. Do your own prayer to God, to the Ascended Masters, to the archangels and angels, to bring comfort and peace in everyone's heart. Keep seeing the golden light being spread. Stay within your heart. And still with your eyes closed, feel into your body. Feel your solar plexus. Feel your heart. Feel your throat. Feel your third eye. Feel your crown chakra. Feel your second and first chakra. Feel the energy in your spine, connected with the earth, the center of the earth and the center of the galaxy. The thread, the golden thread that keeps us together, all of us. The law of one, we're all one. We all feel what everyone else feels. We all return to one source. And from there, we're spreading compassion and empathy and love. And we thank all of those beings that help us at this time. Ascended Masters, angels, archangels, all the spirit helpers. We thank all the people that are stepping up on this earth plane in the 3D to help those in need, to bring end to suffering, to reach out, to hug someone, to love someone, to provide shelter and food and clothing. We thank all those who have a heart for their neighbor, for their friend, for all of humanity. We are gathered here, 4 of us, a symbol for the 4 directions. Each of us can take a direction. We'll thank the 4 directions. Thank you, Creator God, for supporting missions, for bringing peace, peace in our heart. And if each one of you wants to write in the little chat box a thought, a prayer, a meditation for today, I will read it out loud if you so choose. Creator God, we're asking you to take those souls that have transitioned to you in a beautiful, gentle way. Show them the light, show them the beauty, show them their next life missions beyond this time and space. We ask for forgiveness for those, Creator God, who have begun these acts of violence, that they may learn We ask for those who have been left behind, ease their pain, ease their suffering, help them to find a new path with all the pieces that they have to collect of their lives, of their emotions, of their broken hearts. Creator God, we ask you in this time of ascension to help those who are confused with their path, to show them the light, to show them their missions, gently walking this path of beauty, being one with you. And may the prayers continue, Creator God. Mahalo and aloha, Creator God. Wow, so thank you so much, everyone. I want to share with you in the meditation at silence. I heard all these amazing Tibetan horns. They reminded me of just a real clearing, just very loud and clearing the space. It was really amazing. It sounded like it was here right next to me. If you'd like to share of your experience, you're welcome to. Okay. Here, I didn't see the comments. I'm so sorry. Bambi is saying, cherish love. Creator God, cherish love. Help everyone to find that. Cherish love. And Linda is sharing, anchor within the felt sense of connection and peace. Send this inner knowing out into the world through thought, action, and words. Yes. And Asim is saying, yes, peace and love. Thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate you all showing up this morning. And I wish you a beautiful day. Take that out into the world. I will do this for the next 20 days. Whenever you can join, I would be very delighted if you could. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Bambi. Thank you, Asim.